So let's see what happens at the moment. So as you can see, it doesn't actually close. It will eventually close, like now, but it's intermittent. See? And sometimes I can open it again. So usually I have to push this down quite hard, and then it locks. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take this one off and put the new one on, and hopefully that's going to solve the problem. So let's have a look. So we're going to use a Torx head, and this I think is a T25, to take these off. Okay, next there are clips. I think there's about 10. So there's kind of like 4 along here, 4 along here, and then I think 1 here and 1 here. So we need to put something in here like a screwdriver and then gently pry this out and remove it. It would be a good idea probably to cover the tip of the screwdriver so you don't damage the paintwork. Okay, screwdriver. Cover it like this. I'm going to try on this side because there's a little bit more of a gap. Oh, there you go. There we go. Okay, we should be nearly there. You can kind of see there's the ones at the back which are a bit harder to get. They're nearly all out. Okay, I think they're all out. It's just... Okay, there we go. So you can see all the clips. Just make sure that they're all back in the right place as well, or if any of them have fallen out, which I don't think any of these have, so that's good. Okay, so we've got these, I don't know what these ones are called, but it's this tool. I will find out and put it in the notes. So okay, so we've got a little connector over here which just needs a little bit of... Okay, so here's the connector. Just lift that and that should go off. There you go. And there you go. So this is the old one. Kind of looks okay. Whenever you do this, just check on the part number, which is here. Type it in and order it. I actually got this one off Amazon. So let's see what this is going to be like. Looks exactly the same. So it should be a straight fit. Okay, so let's do this again. Make sure that the plug goes in the right way. Usually you'd hear a click, but didn't hear a click. Just leave that there. Okay, it's in. Seems okay. Connections all connected up. So let's give it a whirl. Moment of truth. Okay, it's closed one time. Closed again. Even the automatic latch sounds different. Let's try it again. Sorted.